Hi there, my name is Josh. I'll be running the Philadelphia-based 2-week online SAT Bootcamp from August 14th to the 25th with College Planning Partnerships. I'll be teaching both the math and verbal portions of the program to help students prep for the August 26th SAT test date. In this video, I wanted to give you a quick preview of what our program will look like, as well as go over some of the expectations that we'll have for our students. But first, I wanted to talk about why your student should be prepping for the August SAT exam. Perhaps you or your student doesn't think that they need to take a standardized test for college admittance, or perhaps they already took an SAT or ACT and are satisfied with the score that they received. I would still urge you and your student to look into exactly what increasing their score could mean for their application. Oftentimes, an increase in SAT score can yield more acceptance letters, access to honors programs, higher level course placement come freshman year, as well as, most importantly, merit-based scholarship money. Seniors, if you're still in need of a few more points, this course will help you get your exam out of the way by the end of the summer. You'll be more than happy to have this behind you as you start your very busy senior year. Okay, let's talk more about the merit-based scholarships. Once accepted to a school, you may very well get a letter informing you that you've been awarded merit-based scholarship funds. That's money based in part on your SAT scores. So taking this class will help to ensure that you get those funds wherever they are available. Here we have a list of top schools awarding students merit-based scholarships at the highest percentages. So this means, for example, at the University of Denver, we have 50% of the students there receiving some form of merit-based scholarship. So there's a lot of money on the table to be awarded. Here in Philadelphia, we've also spoken personally with admissions counselors at both Temple and Drexel University, and both schools shared that increases in standardized test scores directly result in larger amounts of merit-based money being awarded to their students. Next, let's take a look at some of the details of the course that we're offering. The program covers all parts of the SAT, which consists of 2 math sections, a reading section, and a writing and language grammar section. By the end of the program, students will have been exposed to the foundational mathematics required to solve any and all SAT math problems. They will have been exposed to multiple reading comprehension strategies and best practices so that they may develop a step-by-step process that will work for them come test day. And they will have been taught the basic rules of grammar and punctuation and applied them to numerous SAT question types, which will remove the guesswork from the writing and language section of the test. There is a total of 15 hours of content instruction, with 7.5 hours of math and 7.5 hours of verbal. Students will have also completed 2 full-length practice tests and reviewed them in their entirety together with me in class. All of the skills that the students will be learning are truly fundamental and will benefit the students far beyond just the SAT. The time spent completing the course will fall into 4 buckets, with 15 hours of total instruction, 6 hours of homework review, 6 hours of testing, and 5 hours of test review, for a total of 32 hours. Here is a look at the course schedule. This will be for both weeks of the program. On Monday through Wednesday, we will meet once for math and once for verbal, as well as an evening homework review from 7 to 8 p.m. Eastern. Thursday is a full SAT in the morning, and Friday is a half day, which we will use to review the tests the students took Thursday, and then we will call it a week. There will be no homework assigned over the weekend. When you register for the program, you will gain access to our student profile, which provides easy access to all course information, Zoom and activity links, assignments, and digital resources, all on our website, www.satprepct.com. Holding our class over Zoom allows students to come together in a collaborative virtual learning environment that is both convenient and effective for the students. In our online Zoom classes, we are able to utilize instructional tools such as the Desmos Graphing Calculator and Desmos Classroom, which allows me to see students' work and responses in real time while keeping students engaged with visuals and an interactive interface. We also utilize virtual whiteboards, PDFs of practice tests, as well as our proprietary lesson slides to ensure clear and engaging presentation of the material. We have a lot going on here that makes this a really immersive experience for the students. This is not going to be like what they experienced during COVID doing virtual school. Our program runs at a price of $9.95 per student, but we want to offer those who have access to this video and who are able to register early with a discounted price of $7.95. That covers the entire cost of instruction, as well as 2 workbooks, which we will use during lessons. The coupon code listed here on the screen is Philly2023. You can go to satprepct.com/courses to register at the discounted rate, or you can pause this video now and scan the QR code on your screen, which will bring you directly to the registration page. Here at College Planning Partnerships, we have a range of testimonials from students and parents who have utilized our services in the past. I would encourage anyone interested in reading more to check out our testimonials page. That's www.satprepct.com/testimonials. I'd also like to share with you this endorsement we received from Sarah Reese. Sarah, who is a graduate of the Harvard School of Education and founder of Informed Educational Solutions, an educational consulting company over in Wyomissing, PA, has been sending us her students for years. You can take a look at what she has to say about us here. And finally, if you would like to get in touch with anyone here at College Planning Partnerships for further information or questions about the program, here is a link to our website, a best phone number to call, and here's my email address. Feel free to send me a note and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in August.